So hello everyone, in this video we'll be changing the status of it, like working on the status changing of this operation. Like if I click on this, it should be incomplete, and if I click it again, then it should be completed. So how can I make the changes to that? So it is very simple. We have to work on this handle update status. Oh, okay, in this I didn't add the second parameter. So this second parameter is from this where we are calling it. Let me just show you that. So you can see in the handle update status, I'm passing the ID of the item which needs to be updated, and the value. So I'm initially passing false when it is completed. So I'm checking if it is completed. So I'll be passing false because I want it to be incomplete, right? When it is completed, we'll be changing status to incomplete. That's why I'm sending the false. And in the else part, I'm sending the true, because if it is incomplete, then we'll be changing the status to complete by passing the true status. Now I can send the data, right? So I can use async. Okay, I can add a try catch block. I can log the error. Similarly, I can copy it from here. Also, let me just prepare the data. Okay, I know what is the data. Let's just add a response of add a log of response. And to do services, remember we have to use the updated part, like the update to do part or update to do method which we created it there. In this we have to pass the ID and the data that we want to update. So basically we'll be updating is completed. So I will be passing only is completed, and the status will be, so this will be the status only. Yeah. Now I can add a simple message of success that yeah, you did successfully updated. So task status updated successfully. Whatever you want to add a message, you can write, right? So in this I can also add a log if you want to see the log, what data we are getting from the backend, that you can add here. And then we can call the get all to do method to get the updated list. Now if I see that, and if I go to my page, let me just add one more task so it works fine. Let's add this one. So you can see we have to-do list. If I click on this completed one, when it is already checked, so it should be incomplete, right? You can see it is incomplete now, and we're also getting the updated list. So in the updated list also, these completed is false. Now if I make it again, so you can see it is completed. Similarly, I can work with this one. So it is working. Task is updating perfectly fine. So this was it, and I think we have completed our all the parts, like the update, delete, and all the adding of the part. Now we'll be working on the categorization functionality, means, and the search functionality. We'll be categorizing them in the completed list will be in another, like I'll be creating a simple select option in which we'll be categorizing this completed and the incomplete task, and we'll be also completing this search functionality in the next video. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.